You guys are the big chunky. I wish I could get the color to come through here, but unfortunately, it's kind of washed out. But you guys are number three. And we want to know what's coming for you. What are the general themes of your first 3 months of 2026? What are the main themes of your first 3 months of 2026? What are the main themes of your first 3 months of 2026? What are the main themes of your first 3 months of 2026? What are the main themes of the Savior's first 3 months of 2026? The High Priestess, there may be some things that you cannot know right now, or you could be a tarot reader yourself, or somebody who works in that particular area. The devil is here on the bottom of the deck. Why do you have so many big cards? Let me see. Move that back. Okay, so you could be, there might be some kind of feeling of withholding. Somebody might be holding something back from you with the Four of Pentacles here. It could also be saving money. Why is the High Priestess here? I'm hearing you're nosy. But that could be for me. Why is the High Priestess here? I don't know why I'm hearing the Black Eyed Peas. Oh my God, just watch the whole reading. Okay? Just watch the whole reading because she keeps coming out. Your mother might be withholding something from you also. And yeah, it feels a bit like withholding. Somebody withholding information that you could use. Maybe you're withholding information. There's some kind of toxic element here, obsession, being chained to something that you don't necessarily want to be chained to. But these are big energies, okay? You got judgment, you've got devil, and you've also got the high priestess, you've got the empress. And there's a I think it was a couple of years ago. There's a bunch of readings on my channel about the King of Cups that kept popping out. He might be popping back up for you guys. There are also readings about the Empress that popped around that time. So you guys may want to go back and watch that. Those were that. I'm not sure why I'm getting that, but those might be useful for you at this time. The Nine of Swords popped out. There goes the. He just wanted to come. He just wanted to come out. He just wanted to come out here. It's giving like um I don't want to say twin flame stuff, but it really is kind of feeling like twin flame or married couples, people who might end up getting married, they're just like coming out together now, working on their cosmic stuff. What is the judgment card? Judgment, please. Yes. Judgment is something coming around again. You might have somebody coming back around again. from a distance. Well, just watch the whole reading. Just go back and watch the whole thing because it's really giving like somebody wants to offer you something. If you were, I don't know, I'm hearing, would you have somebody who was married before or somebody who was in something, related to something before, and it's like you've got an emperor floating around you. This could be a boss. This could be a work thing. It's not feeling like it is. For some of you, it might be. King of Pentacles is a boss. Somebody who could have a business, an entrepreneur. Um, it's like a lot. Some of you are on a different journey. You're on a different part of this path, and are some of you are at the beginning, some of you are at the middle, and some of you are at the end. Like this whole reading. Oh my god, is my cats are just wandering around. Um, Different timeline. You know, just pick what part of the timeline you're on. Just go ahead and watch the whole reading. Sorry for the jumbled up words here. My cat's distracting me. But anyway, we're gonna look at the devil. You might have a little flimmer somebody is behind. Even if you don't realize that you did it, you did it. This could be him where you're his second chance. Almost to the end with the world. Almost to the end. The next card would be the world. Ace is at the beginning. Nine is almost to the end also. You got Three of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, and the Knight there. Three of Pentacles has nudity on it. So it's giving like somebody you work with, possibly somebody you share money with, or who um, you may be related to them some way, somehow with money. The devil could be a Capricorn or just Capricorn in season. We've got Capricorn, Taurus, Sagittarius. Some people say Pisces for the high priestess. I say Taurus, um, Aries, or Taurus. Like a lot of, excuse me, a lot of Taurus energy. And when I saw this at the bottom of the deck with the devil card, and I was like, something might just come out like a sneeze, like like an eruption, like it might just boil up and then boil over, and but after whatever it is revealed or comes out or kind of explodes forward, um, there's relief. It's like when you throw up and you may be drinking too long, drinking too hard, too fast, too much, and then your body expels it and you just feel so much better, and then you can go to sleep. That's what this feels like. It is not pleasant, but it is necessary for survival. Um, it really feels like if somebody is holding something back, they can't really hold it back anymore, and it just explodes forward. Yeah, just wow. And there goes the world card. And it's like this journey begins. Um, Journey begins. You go through all of this, and then this person like pops up, and there's like word vomit, and then they feel relieved, but they may have left you with information that you don't know what to do with. It was maybe unnecessary. This might be a spiritual thing. Somebody might also experience a spontaneous spiritual awakening, and it feels like she's already on the high priestess. It feels like he might experience this, especially if he's not on the same level as her. And he might be obsessed with her. and can't figure out why, but it's her spiritual energy that he's attracted to. And then something just goes off in his brain like that. And it's kind of like when you have an epiphany and you realize your brain finally makes the connection, and you have to grieve the old way of thinking, but the new way of thinking comes in, and you're like kind of relieved for the new way of thinking, especially if you've been holding back for a long time and not moving for a long time, holding on to old ideas, an old way of thinking. But then I'm seeing like old gears getting greased, and it finally releases, but it releases slowly, and then bam, it the gears are now moving fluidly, quickly, um, but it's also casting off all of this old rust and old junk that has to go. So something about you guys, if you are the Empress, is like inspiring this person. You may have, I'm hearing Michael Jackson, where he's like, "You knocked me off of my feet, yeah, yeah." Um, you may have exploded into this person's world, and they're like, somebody else on this platform said, their world was in grays and sepia tones, and then you burst onto the scene. They're trying to ignore you, but they're having to, they observe you, but they're trying to ignore you, or maybe you feel like you're stuck some way somehow, and they come into your world and burst you out of these old wigs of thinking that you're holding on to, that you don't need to hold on to anymore. This four is coming off as kind of reversed a little bit, but in a negative way. There are any other messages I can get seekers of deck number 3? And it really feels like this is like it's not necessarily a punishment, right? Because what I'm getting is karma. I'm getting consequences. It's like somebody here has reached, they've cycled out, they've reached they were plateaued, but they're reaching a next level of spiritual evolution. And I think it was her. I think she came in, he saw her, he was probably watching her. He's still watching her now, you know? And he was stuck in this way of thinking. And she like comes in, she's full of color, she's not so rigid. He's not got a whole lot of spirit connection to spirituality here. It's like his is frozen. It's coming off as an ice throne, and hers, where's the water? There's water on hers. So her water is moving fluidly. His is like, it feels like an ice throne. Like his is all frozen up. And she comes in and she's a warm ray of sunlight, which is probably why he feels his Ace of Cups for her. And she's wish fulfillment. But he has to level up spiritually to be on her level. And I feel like he does it. And then he like might blurt out, oh my God, when you came into my life, I was this and that way, and then now I cannot stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about what you said. You may have, you know, given this person a lot to think about, and the stuck feeling releases. The resistance releases. It feels like this is resistance right here. It just feels like with the Tower card coming out after all of this, it's like an explosion of um it's like a dynamite going off. Oh, I'm gonna run out of time, guys. But yeah, cycle closing. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I might do a part 2, I might not. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tip, donate, comment. If you need a part 2 for this, let me know and I can do a part 2. But I think I gave you the gist of it here. Explosion, chemistry, brain chemistry changed. But yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tip, donate, comment. To the next one. Bye.